Hi, this video is to tell you about the shortcut and strategy workshop for NMAT. Starting from 6th October, it will be held online. You'll get a recording for the same, but yes, the focus will be to solve things faster. NMAT is a speed-based exam. Speed-based exam, that means speed matters more. That means how fast you solve will make a lot of difference in the examination. How you plan your paper also makes a paper, because NMAT is a little different from the other examination. In terms, you cannot go back to a question. That means you need to plan your paper properly so that you can complete the paper exactly on time. Okay, you cannot leave questions because there are more negative marks for leaving questions, and technically there is no negative marks. So try to solve all the questions. The way you guess mark, how you guess mark, all makes a difference in your marks as such. Right. So I've scored 320 on TCT, which is the highest ever as far as NMAT is concerned. So I'm fairly comfortable with the exam. So twice I've scored rank 1 in NMAT. So again, I know what it takes to crack and how does it go about it. So we do have courses. The NMAT course is basically the fees for the workshop only is 900 rupees. If you want to workshop mocks and videos, the fees is 5,700. You can contact us at 9821314788 or purchase the course at the following link which is there. Right. The course will be held post 8 p.m. on weekdays from 6th October. You'll get a recording for a video by chance you miss any lectures. So it will be approximately 10 to 12 sessions of 1.5 hours each, which will cover all the right from con, DI, verbal reasoning, logic, verbal, etc. Focuses approaches, no concepts will be taught. We assuming your concepts are known, but there are some areas which are different as far as NMAT is concerned as compared to other exams, like input, output, a little bit more critical reasoning, etc. We try to focus on those areas which are a little different as compared to others, so that you get used to it. Also, we'll focus on strategy of how to write the NMAT paper. It's important. And all the sessions are conducted by Patrick and Rochelle. So you have expert faculty who know how to crack the paper to guide you with regards to your preparation. Hope that helps. We'll come up with more videos to help you with regards to NMAT or any other management entrance examinations. If you are writing the exams, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.